So on this flight, we went out and we did some power off 180s. This is for my commercial training, which I'm working on right now. I'm about more than halfway done with my license, so hopefully I'll finish it up in a couple next months. But yeah, we did power off 180s, which is one of the more difficult maneuvers for commercial. And there was another plane in the pattern as well that was doing it, so it made it kind of simple. But then another plane came in and kind of messed it up, so you'll see us get, a little mad in the video later on because someone kind of messes up the pattern. We had to go around a couple times. I don't show it in the video, but I think we had to do at least 3 right 360s just for spacing. So it kind of got annoying, but it was a super good flight, and I'm getting the power off 180s down in a super fun maneuver. So now with that said, please enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any comments, questions about commercial training or the specific maneuver itself, you can ask me in the comments as always, and I really appreciate you guys watching the video. So please enjoy. Thank you.
Alright, you're down below 140. Yep. Lewis 507 is Romeo midfield, bus down 1 runway 2, Lewis. Traffic 26 flaps, get across 1 runway 2, Lewis. Is he really staying in the pattern? Lewis 770 is Romeo, short base to final runway 2, Lewis. We had such an awesome routine too. I know. Traffic 26 flaps, got 1 runway 2, Lewis. Nice. So party's only missed 1 Sumner. Huh? Since so far he's only missed 1 Sumner. It's all good. We're gonna have to extend a little bit. Yeah, the main stuff, the multi-engine shutdown, 3 starts, single engine approach. So 780 Romeo, short left base to final runway 2, Lewis. Let's go. If you want to go around. Go around. Hey, 0 Romeo, go around 2, Lewis. That's alright, we'll side step to the right. It's taking so long, you're in an 82. Alright, probably not. We're back down 100 runway 2, Lewis. They're down below 140. We'll try to keep the back on runway 2, touching over.
Again, please let me know if you have any comments or questions about maybe your commercial training, the specific maneuvers, like this power off 180 that I did today. I'll be more than happy to answer them. So please comment if you need to, and thank you again for watching.
Alright, we got 8 for 9.